You're asked to rewrite each of the expressions as a single fraction without negative exponents. So I'm going to rewrite these to start without negative exponents. So anything with a negative exponent become a denominator within whatever side it's on, numerator or denominator of this big fraction. So 3x to the power of negative 3 is the same thing as 3 over x cubed. And then I'm bringing down the plus 4x. 2x minus, and then x to the power of negative 2 is 1 over x squared. So now I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x cubed so that I can get rid of any of the little denominators. I have to distribute that to all four of these things. So when I distribute it to this first part, the x cubes cancel. Then 4x times x cubed is 4x to the power of 4. 2x times x cubed is 2x to the power of 4. And then when I do x cubed times 1 over x squared, 2 of the x's cancel out, and I'm left with just a single x. So there's my first one. Second one here, I'm rewriting x to the power of negative 2 as 1 over x squared. And I'm rewriting y to the power of negative 2 as 1 over y squared. I'm multiplying the top and the bottom by x squared, y squared, because I know that will get rid of the denominators here, this one and this one. But I have to distribute it to everything. So when I'm doing that, I am multiplying it to this one first. The x squareds cancel out. I'm left with y squared. Then it's just x squared, y to the power of 4. And this one here, it is x to the power of 4, y squared. And then this last one, the y squareds cancel out. Sorry, that's subtraction. The y squareds cancel out and leave me with just x squared. And for the last one here, we got x to the power of negative 4, y to the power of negative 2, plus x to the power of 3, y to the power of 1. Since they're negative, I'm putting them in the denominator, 1 over x minus 1 over x cubed. Now I got to multiply the top and the bottom. What's the greatest x value? So x to the power of 4, and then y squared is the greatest y value. And I'm going to distribute that to all of them. The first one, everything cancels out and leaves me with just 1. Then 3 of the x's cancel out, and 1 of the y's cancel out. Then only 1 of the y's cancel out, so I have x cubed y squared. And then 3 of the x's cancel out, so I have x y squared. And there is my final answer.